Hi everybody, this is Sir Pierre, back another day with another unboxing. Today I'm going to talk about these selfie stick tripods that I've been recommending for over 10 years and I've already done a couple of videos about. So my favorite size is this small one. I literally use it every day. I always have it with me, and most of the times actually I even have two of them with me because I have one in my sling bag and one in my major bag. And usually I have the sling bag in my big bag, so I usually have two of them with me. So I highly recommend one of those. I've been recommending for them for over 10 years, I said. And they have larger ones. This one is from ATUMTEK. Most of them are from ATUMTEK. And I had this one with me. I think this is the 55 inches. Had this one with me every day before. These go higher, these are longer, but they are a bit heavy. Anyway, for having with me all the time and using them very rarely because I have the small one that I prefer. But the other day I recommended one of them that I don't have myself even. And I thought, yeah, of course I should get one myself. So the thing with this one that has a name that I don't remember, yeah, it is a ATUMTEK selfie stick. But these are called Premium, I think. And this is called StickPro or something. And the thing with this one is that it's the same design as this, as small, as simple as possible, and not as large as this one. And as they say themselves, it's lighter, so better for you that are traveling and on the go. So I've been thinking for a couple of months to get me one, just for that reason, because I would like to have the 55-inch size with me. I believe this is 60 inches. I don't remember. This one, I'm going to talk more about this one because I like this one as well. But I would like to have a larger one with me. But I just want one that is lighter. And it's slightly longer actually. Yeah. So maybe I'm wrong about the sizes. And I actually don't like that it's slightly longer because I have just ordered a new sling bag where it's supposed to fit. Oh, that sucks. Or did I maybe order the wrong one? Because I'm pretty sure that this lighter version are available in a couple of sizes as well. And you don't have the button underneath to fold out the legs, but that is probably for weight saving, because I'm going to put the camera closer. It's not even slimmer. So what I was going to say is that I recommended this one because it's the new version, and that I think that this one is slightly too big and too heavy, and this one is supposed to be this one, only lighter, and this is more premium, better to hold, I guess. So before I put the camera closer and weigh them for you, I want to talk about this one from KraftGeek, which is the one that I use, the only one that I use at home. For this main reason, it folds out itself. I really like that. Sounds silly, but I really do like that. And the other thing is that when you fold it out, the grip, the mouth are way smaller than the other ones. So on the new iPhone 16, 17, I don't remember, 16 Pro that I have. These ones, the above one can be slightly too large, so it sometimes touching the camera button, the new camera button. This one does not. So I prefer this one for that reason. Plus this. I really like that. But this one is heavy. So now I'm going to weigh them. And I'm going to measure them as well. To show you. Yeah. So to show you when I got it closer. This part that more or less touches the button, and this one with the smaller teeth does not. If you can see that. So that is one of the reasons why I prefer that. But this one is heavy. So I don't believe I have ever had that one with me. So let's start with the small one that I always have with me. 167 grams. I thought it was lighter actually. So 167 grams. Then the premium, which I believe is the 55 ones, 381 grams. And the new slim lighter version, 336. So only 50 grams lighter. All right. And the one that I believe is 60 inches, 412 grams. That is quite heavy, and this is the heaviest one, 429 grams. So half a kilo is, to me, way too much to have with me just for fun, and it's a bit too long. And I thought that this one was going to be the same length as this one. So the small one that fits in my pocket, in my sling bag, everywhere, I absolutely like it, are 20 centimeters, which is just under 8 inches. I believe this one are 12 inches. Yeah, just over 12 inches. And that is 31 centimeter. So I'm guessing this is 30 centimeters. Yeah, just over 30 centimeters, which is also 12 inches. And the heavy one that I really like, 13 inches, 33.5 centimeters. So a lighter, smaller version of this one, KraftGeek, I would like that. I believe I have a discount code for KraftGeek as well. That is probably SERPSHARE15, but I will post that. Check the description. And this one, the same, 32.5 centimeters. So yeah, these two are too heavy and too big to have with me. This one does fit in my sling bag, but then that's the only thing that fits in my sling bag. And I have just bought a new sling bag for that one, or I thought this one. And it irritates me that I might have ordered the wrong one. Extendable phone clip size, 22 inches, blah, blah, blah. It doesn't say anything about the size, the length of it. It does not actually. 1.4 meters. So here we have them, the small one, the new one that is slightly longer than the old one, and I used to say that they are all available in a bunch of colors. No, I believe the new one is available in like 5 colors, and the old premium ones maybe only black and white. And I chose white and black just to separate them, to know which one is the longer one. But they are available in more colors. So the 2 black ones that I thought was going to be the same length when they're all folded together. The new one is slightly longer, folded out, pulled out, and folded together. And this is what I call the 60 inches, and KraftGeek are the tallest one. I don't know how long it is, maybe 70 inches or something. But that's how they look. And I'm gonna check if I ordered the wrong one, maybe, because I want this used to be slightly shorter. But that's it. If you have any questions, let me know. This is the favorite one. And check the description for a discount code at KraftGeek. Thanks for watching.